Before the weekly analysis begins, I just want to let you know that I do have a Patreon page. We have two tiers available. The first tier is called Start Off for £15 a month, and what you will receive is access to a Discord server containing the beginners, intermediate, and advanced course, risk management course for Elliot wave trading, as well as financial literacy content. This tier is also for those who want to learn at their own pace and generally just support what I do and just join a community of like-minded traders. The second tier that I have is called the Waveologist for £35 a month, and what you receive is everything that I mentioned above with the addition of specific chart requests for me to annotate on a daily and weekly time frame, and one-to-one support or group sessions depending on how many people have subscribed to this tier. The group or one-to-one sessions are for those people who want a little bit of extra help with their Elliot Wave education, and also give the opportunity to ask me as many questions. Please do keep in mind that these are going to be 1 hour sessions depending on how many people have subscribed, and also I would say please do consider joining. It is really good value for money, and without further ado, let's get into the analysis. Alright guys, welcome back. This is going to be my Elliot Wave count or update on Bitcoin slash USD. But first of all, any views, opinions or suggestions that I express in this video do not constitute to trading or financial advice. So let's get started here. So obviously from my previous videos that I've shown before, we had this sort of impulsive move here, and we're currently in this sort of corrective wave structure. I've said for I think about 2 weeks now or so that we are currently in this sort of fourth wave here. And what we've seen so far in terms of this week, well, the market has sort of started to decline here, and maybe we are getting this sort of third wave that has been already been completed, and we are now currently in this fourth wave. Um, Now, how do we sort of know that this is going to be the fourth wave? How do we know when this fourth wave ends? Well, usually fourth wave ends between 38%, but it shouldn't go more than 50%. And our invalidation level is basically the extremes of wave one, which is right here. So if the market does sort of push down and come sort of take this level out, then what that basically means that from this being as an ABC, and we're expecting this to be sort of a expanded flat where it takes out the extremes of this wave A. This will now give us another pattern called a running flat, and where we are currently is maybe wave 3 could have been a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 somewhere in and around here, and we could have had the sort of the wave 4 here, and then the wave 5 was already here, and basically this pattern hasn't necessarily given us a sort of huge change. It's just created a different pattern as an ABC still, but instead of it being as an expanded flat where it takes out this high, it has closed below this high and has moved up in 5 waves impulse. And what we're basically going to see is the market sort of eventually just push down to give us our wave 5 here, which will eventually complete this sort of ABC zigzag corrective structure. Now, I've said before, this could possibly be the trade where Bitcoin can hit zero, and we could start to see we could also start to see a significant rejection before the market hits zero, that we could see some sort of support coming in, to then obviously reject and give us the sort of thumbs up to say that the market is going to continue pushing up to the upside, continue pushing up to the upside. Another count that I also have, obviously this was the bearish count, but another account that I have, obviously a bullish count, is where we have this as the wave 4, and then this could be the wave 5, and where we are currently is basically in this sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulsive move structure, and we're going to basically see this market sort of push up higher to take out these highs. Now, if this becomes extremely bullish, I would like to see essentially a close above this level, so that will indicate a market structure break, which basically means a change in direction to the upside. And then once this sort of level has been taken out and the market has closed above this level, I want to then wait for a nice 3-wave corrective structure as an ABC or WXY to give us our wave 2. So then this will then basically become a wave 1 and then a wave 2, and then we can expect a wave 3, 4, 5 to eventually come in for the future. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys do like my video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. I do have a Patreon for those people that are interested in mentorship, and yeah, I'll see you guys on to the next one. Take care.